Let me ask you something straight from the heart. Have you noticed your legs getting weaker lately? Maybe climbing the stairs feels harder. Maybe standing up from a chair takes effort. Or maybe you've even caught yourself worrying about falling and what would happen if you did. Here's the truth most people don't hear often enough. Weak legs aren't just part of getting old, they're a warning sign. In fact, in the United States, every single year, more than 3 million seniors end up in the emergency room because of falls. And once that happens, life can change overnight. Independence slips away, confidence disappears, and families are left asking, what went wrong? But here's the part that gives me hope. And I want you to hold on to this. Regaining strength doesn't always take months of hard work, endless therapy sessions, or expensive supplements. Sometimes it starts with something as simple as what you put on your plate. Yes, food. Real, everyday food. Science is showing us that certain nutrients can work almost immediately to improve circulation, reawaken tired muscles, and bring back the strength you thought was gone forever. And there's one particular food, simple, affordable, and right here in America's grocery stores, that can help seniors feel stronger legs in as little as 12 hours. I know that sounds surprising, maybe even too good to be true. But stay with me, because once you understand why this works, you'll see it's not magic, it's biology. When most people think about health in their later years, they worry about heart disease, diabetes, or memory loss. And yes, those are serious concerns, but do you know what often decides whether someone can live independently or not? Leg strength. Strong legs aren't just about walking, they're about living. They're what lets you get out of bed in the morning, carry groceries into the house, climb into your car, or play with your grandkids. When leg strength slips, everyday tasks, things you never used to think twice about, suddenly feel impossible. In the United States, more than 1 in 4 seniors reports difficulty walking or climbing stairs. And when those legs weaken, the risk of falling skyrockets. A single fall can mean a broken hip, months of rehab, or worse, a permanent loss of independence. And I'll be honest with you, I've seen too many patients who never fully bounce back after that first big fall. But here's something encouraging. The opposite is also true. Seniors who keep or rebuild leg strength stay independent longer. They drive, they travel, they garden, they keep living life on their terms, their families worry less, and they feel more confident in their own skin. So when I tell you that food can play a powerful role in restoring leg strength, it's not just about muscles. It's about freedom. It's about avoiding those hospital visits. It's about holding on to the life you love for as long as possible. And to understand how to do that, we first need to talk about what's quietly stealing that strength away from so many Americans. There's a reason so many older adults in America feel their legs growing weaker, even when they're eating regularly and trying to stay active. It's not just aging, it's something far sneakier, something I call the silent thief of muscle. As we get older, our bodies naturally start losing muscle mass, a condition doctors call sarcopenia. It usually begins after age 50 and speeds up each year. But here's the real problem. Most people don't even notice it happening. You might lose a few pounds on the scale and think, great, I'm keeping my weight down. But often, that's not fat you're losing, it's muscle. And there's more. Many American seniors unknowingly eat too little protein, skip meals, or rely heavily on processed foods, things like boxed dinners, white bread, or sugary snacks. Over time, that kind of diet drains your body of the very nutrients your muscles depend on. Then add in another factor, poor circulation. Sitting too long, not drinking enough water, or managing conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure can slow blood flow to your legs. When your muscles don't get enough oxygen and nutrients, they weaken faster. It's a slow process, but day by day your strength fades, you start taking shorter walks, then you avoid stairs. And before long, your muscles are too weak to do the very things that used to keep them strong. But here's the good news. This cycle can be reversed. And the key lies in what you feed your body. The right nutrients, in the right form, at the right time. Let's talk about how food can become one of the most powerful medicines you have. For years, we've been taught that when something goes wrong with our health, the answer has to come from a prescription bottle. And yes, medication saves lives, there's no question about that. But when it comes to rebuilding leg strength, I want you to remember this. Food is medicine too. Every single bite you take sends a signal to your body. The right food tells your muscles, wake up, repair, grow stronger. The wrong food, processed, sugary, empty calorie snacks, tells your body, slow down, store fat, stop healing. In my years of treating seniors across the US, I've seen something remarkable. When people start eating foods rich in the right nutrients, especially protein, potassium, magnesium, and healthy fats, their energy returns faster than they ever expected. Some describe it as if a switch just flipped in their body. Take simple foods like salmon, eggs, leafy greens, and beans, all easy to find in any American grocery store. These foods aren't fancy, they're not expensive, but they're loaded with what your muscles crave: amino acids for rebuilding, antioxidants for circulation, and minerals for nerve support. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. There's one food in particular that's been standing out in studies, something that can kickstart muscle recovery and improve leg strength in as little as 12 hours. And chances are it's already sitting in your kitchen right now. I'll tell you exactly what it is. But first, let's understand what makes it so powerful inside your body, how it works like nature's own repair signal for tired, aging muscles. You've probably heard the saying, you are what you eat. But when it comes to leg strength, one particular food has proven that saying truer than ever. That food is beets. Yes, the same deep red vegetable you might have passed by at the grocery store without a second thought. Beets are packed with natural nitrates, compounds that improve blood flow by opening up your blood vessels. Better blood flow means more oxygen reaches your leg muscles. And that's the first step towards strength and energy. Clinical research here in the US, including studies from the University of Exeter and Wake Forest, shows that seniors who drank beet juice or added beets to their meals noticed measurable strength improvements in just 12 hours. Their legs felt lighter, steadier, and more responsive. The reason is simple biology. When your muscles finally get the oxygen and nutrients they've been craving, they start performing again, fast. And the best part? You don't need supplements or special products, just real food, straight from nature. Now that you know what this food is, let's take a look at how it actually works inside your body to restore strength and stability. So how can something as simple as a beet make such a dramatic difference in your strength? Let's look at what happens inside your body. When you eat beets or drink beet juice, your body converts the natural nitrates into nitric oxide, a gas that relaxes and widens your blood vessels. That means stronger blood flow, better oxygen delivery, and more nutrients reaching your muscles. It's like clearing a blocked highway so traffic can finally move again. Only this time, the traffic is your circulation. Nitric oxide also helps your mitochondria, the little energy factories in your cells, work more efficiently. That's why many people notice improved stamina and reduced fatigue just hours after consuming beets. And here's the part I love most. This process is completely natural. No pills, no chemicals, just your body doing what it was designed to do when it's given the right fuel. For seniors, that boost in circulation and muscle performance can mean fewer shaky steps, easier balance, and renewed confidence. But science isn't just about what's possible. It's about what's proven. So let's look at some real-life results from Americans who've tried this simple, powerful change. I'll never forget one of my patients, Carol, a 72-year-old retired teacher from Ohio. She came to me saying, "Doctor, my legs just don't listen to me anymore." She'd stopped walking her dog because she felt too tired halfway down the block. After reviewing her diet, I suggested she add beets, roasted, juiced, or even blended into a smoothie, once a day. Just 3 days later, she called me, her voice full of surprise. "I walked my dog around the block today. Twice," she said. Then there's Henry, 68, from Florida. He'd struggled with leg cramps for years. Within 24 hours of drinking beet juice, his cramps eased up, and he said, "My legs feel awake again." These aren't miracles. They're the result of circulation improving and muscles finally getting the oxygen they've been missing. Across America, seniors are discovering that one small change can bring back movement, balance, and confidence they thought were gone for good. But let's get specific. What actually happens during those first few hours after you eat this food? The answer might surprise you, and it's where hope truly begins. What happens in those first 12 hours after you eat or drink beets is nothing short of remarkable. Within about 2 to 3 hours, your body begins converting the natural nitrates into nitric oxide, opening up your blood vessels and improving circulation, especially to your legs. That improved blood flow means more oxygen reaching your muscles. For many seniors, this is when the difference becomes noticeable. Legs that once felt heavy suddenly feel lighter. Walking across the living room doesn't seem as tiring. Some describe a subtle but clear feeling of energy, like their body woke up. Around the 8 to 12 hour mark, your endurance starts to improve. Climbing stairs feels smoother, and even simple things like standing up from a chair or taking a morning walk become easier. It's your muscles finally getting what they've needed all along: proper oxygen, nutrients, and energy. Of course, this isn't a one-time fix. The goal isn't just to feel better for a day, it's to rebuild strength over time. And when you keep nourishing your muscles, the changes only grow stronger. So what happens when you stay consistent beyond those first 12 hours? That's where the real transformation begins. After that first burst of energy, the real magic happens when you stay consistent. The beets you eat today start a process that continues building strength day after day. Think of it like training your muscles from the inside out. Over time, as circulation improves and nutrients keep reaching your leg muscles, they begin to rebuild. Many of my patients tell me that after a few weeks, they can walk farther without stopping, their legs don't shake as much, and stairs don't seem as intimidating. It's not about becoming a marathon runner. It's about regaining control of your body, and that consistency pays off in more ways than just muscle strength. Better circulation also supports heart health, brain function, and energy levels throughout the day. It's a ripple effect that touches nearly every part of your health. This is where the change becomes more than physical. It's emotional. When you feel your legs getting stronger, your confidence comes back. You stop fearing falls and start trusting your body again. But this isn't just about strength. It's about independence. Let's talk about what that renewed leg power really gives back to your life. When you regain leg strength, it's not just your muscles that come back, it's your freedom. You start doing things you once thought were behind you: walking to the mailbox without a cane, taking the stairs without holding your breath, standing in the kitchen long enough to cook your favorite meal again. For so many seniors across America, this kind of progress changes everything. It's not about looking younger. It's about feeling capable again. It's about being able to say, I can do this myself. That feeling of independence is powerful. It restores dignity, confidence, and joy. Family members notice it too. They stop worrying as much. They see the spark come back in your eyes. It's not just physical recovery, it's emotional healing. And here's the truth. This independence doesn't come from luck. It comes from consistency, making small, smart choices every day, including the food you eat. But to keep that freedom, you need to know when food alone isn't enough. Some signs mean your body may need more help. And that's something every senior should understand clearly. As much as I believe in the power of food, I also believe in honesty. There are times when diet alone can't fix what's going on, and recognizing that early can make all the difference. If you're eating healthy, staying active, and still noticing pain, numbness, or swelling in your legs, it could mean there's an underlying issue, like peripheral artery disease, PAD, nerve damage from diabetes, or even circulation problems caused by heart disease. These are common in the US, especially among older adults, and they often show up as weakness or cramping in the legs. Don't ignore these signs. Talk to your doctor. A simple ultrasound or blood flow test can reveal what's really happening. The sooner it's caught, the easier it is to treat. Food can help your body heal, but sometimes you need medical support. Medication, physical therapy, or lifestyle adjustments to fully restore your strength. The goal isn't to replace medical care with food, it's to combine them. When you pair good nutrition with professional guidance, your recovery becomes faster, stronger, and safer. Now let's talk about how to safely add this food into your daily routine, the right way to make it work for you. If you're ready to try adding beets into your diet, here's the good news. It's simple, affordable, and fits right into an American lifestyle. You don't have to make dramatic changes, you just have to be consistent. Start small. One medium-sized beet a day, cooked, roasted, or blended into a smoothie, is enough to make a real difference. If you don't like the taste of whole beets, try beet juice or powder. Just check the label to make sure there's no added sugar. You can slice roasted beets into a salad, mix them into mashed potatoes for color, or even blend them with berries for a quick, refreshing drink. Pair them with a source of protein, like eggs, chicken, or beans, to help your muscles rebuild even faster. And remember, hydration matters. Drink plenty of water to keep your circulation and digestion working properly. Be patient. The goal isn't a one-time boost, it's to slowly rebuild strength and energy from the inside out. But before you rush to the grocery store, there's one important thing to consider. Beets aren't right for everyone. Let's talk about who should be cautious and how to use them safely with medications. Now, before you start adding beets to your daily routine, let's talk safety. Because every body is different, and what helps one person might not suit another. If you're taking medication for high blood pressure, be aware that beets naturally lower blood pressure by widening your blood vessels. That's usually a good thing, but when combined with certain drugs, it can drop your blood pressure too low. So always check with your doctor before starting beet juice or supplements. For people with kidney stones or a history of them, beets may not be the best choice. They're high in compounds called oxalates, which can increase the risk of stones in some individuals. And if you notice your urine turning red or pink after eating beets, don't panic. That's called beeturia, and it's completely harmless. The key here is moderation and awareness. Beets are safe for most people when used wisely. Just treat them as part of a balanced diet, not a magic fix. So now that we've covered how to use them safely, let's step back and look at the bigger picture. What this really means for your health, your strength, and your future. I've seen countless patients walk into my office feeling defeated, tired, frustrated, and convinced that weakness is just what happens when you get older. But here's my promise to you. It's never too late to get stronger. Your body still listens. It still responds. It just needs the right signals. Good nutrition, movement, and care. Even in your 60s, 70s, or 80s, your muscles can rebuild. I've watched seniors who struggle to stand without help regain the ability to walk around their neighborhood again. I've seen people who thought they were done with exercise find joy in movement once more. This journey isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Small, steady steps that add up to something life-changing. Every meal you choose, every walk you take, every decision to care for yourself, it all matters. So don't give up on your body. It hasn't given up on you. And as we wrap this up, I want to leave you with one final truth. Something I tell every patient who walks out of my office: you hold more power over your health than you realize. Let's bring it all together in our final takeaway. If there's one thing I want you to remember from everything we've talked about, it's this. Your strength isn't gone. It's just waiting to be reawakened. You don't need fancy equipment, expensive supplements, or complicated routines. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones. A fresh beet on your plate, a short daily walk, a little more water. Small choices that tell your body, I'm still here. I'm still fighting. Because this isn't only about stronger legs, it's about taking back control of your life. It's about confidence, independence, and the joy of doing the things you love without fear. Your health journey doesn't end because you've reached a certain age. In fact, this can be the beginning of a new chapter, one where you feel more alive, more capable, and more hopeful than you have in years. So tonight, when you sit down for dinner, remember, the road to strength doesn't start in the gym. It starts right at your table, one bite at a time. And as your doctor and your ally, I promise you this: you have everything it takes to stand strong again.